Welcome to Jinja, Uganda, the hidden gem of Africa and the birthplace of an extraordinary tale. In the heart of Africa, nestled between lush jungles and sprawling savannas, lies the vibrant village of Jinja. Known as the source of the Nile, it's where a young boy named Amani discovered a hidden talent that would change his life forever. With nothing but discarded materials, Amani crafted a makeshift guitar, filling the village with melodies inspired by the rhythms of nature. His music transcended borders, catching the attention of a global audience through social media, turning him into an overnight sensation. From the banks of the Nile to international stages, Amani's story of passion, ingenuity, and the power of dreams captivated millions, showcasing the rich cultural tapestry and untapped potential of Africa. Discover the rich cultural tapestry of Africa through Amani's inspiring journey. Subscribe for more amazing stories.